Hi friends, welcome to my channel Satya Sparkles. Have you ever found yourself endlessly scrolling through a YouTube, Instagram, or Amazon, and suddenly hours have disappeared and you didn't plan for it? It just happened. Or did it? Have you ever paused to wonder who really decides what you watch next on YouTube? Why that one ad follows you around like a ghost? Or how your phone seems to know you better than even your own family. Today, algorithms guide what we watch, eat, where, who we date, and even what we believe. And the big question is, are we still the masters of our choices? Or have we become slaves to algorithms? Welcome to a world where machines don't just assist us, they influence, shape, and sometimes even control us. What is an algorithm anyway? Let's keep it simple. An algorithm is just a set of instructions like a recipe. But when tech companies use it on your data, your likes, your clicks, and your searches, it turns into something powerful. It becomes your silent shadow curating your reality. So, the real question is not what you want, it is who taught you to want it. There was a time when we had to think, ask, explore, and fail to learn something. Today, we ask Google, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or any chatbots. We follow suggestions. We let the machines think for us. Once learning meant trial and error, now we just click and do. Once we had to fail to grow, now we just ask an app for the answer. We may have gained speed and ease, but are we losing depth? From YouTube to Amazon, from Netflix to Google Maps, every swipe, like, and click is being watched, learned, and optimized for them, not you. We used to take pride in making decisions. Now we follow recommendations. Have we become slaves to convenience or worse, slaves to algorithms? We are outsourcing our memory, our imagination and creativity, even our intuition to Google, ChatGPT, decision making to Instagram polls. Today, everyone wants quick wins, shortcuts, life hacks, instant solutions. But here is a problem. What is easy is not always effective, and what is quick is not always deep. When you skip the struggle, you also skip the wisdom. Algorithms may give us answers, but real understanding that still needs you. Let's pause. Are we losing our thinking power, our cognitive edge? If you don't have to solve anything, why would your brain bother in the real world in the first place? Trial and error made us wiser. Struggle built strength. Now, when we skip straight to the solution, do we skip the growth too? Everyone wants shortcuts, but are shortcuts always sustainable? Algorithms are great at predicting your taste, but they can't understand your feelings. Are we replacing genuine emotions with pre programmed relationships? Are not built on algorithms. They are built on awkwardness, vulnerability, and real time emotions. And they are messy, but it's beautiful. We ask, what is the easiest way? But maybe we should ask, what is the most meaningful way? Algorithms know what you like, but not what you feel. Human emotions can't be coded. Can AI really teach empathy, compassion, and trust? Algorithms don't care about truth, they are caring about engagement. So, what gets promoted? Outrage, drama, division, family dinners turn into debates, friends unfollow friends or echo chamber opinions. Kids learn values from influencers instead of parents. If machines are shaping our morality, whose values are they following? We used to learn values through human conversations, through watching, listening, laughing. Now we learn from screens. Do we still remember how to feel someone's presence or only their emojis? When a machine decides what is right or wrong, whose ethics it is anyway? Are family values being reshaped by trends instead of tradition? How do we teach ethics when machines don't have a conscience? When algorithms decide who you should fall in love with, where does chemistry go? When your best friend is a chatbot, do you still understand real human emotions? We are more connected than ever, yet more emotionally distant. Let's walk through how algorithms are changing entire industries. Education, for example, AI generated assignments. Where is originality? Students use AI to write essays but forget how to. Take, for instance, jobs. From delivery to journalism, machines are replacing people. Automation is replacing humans in banks, supermarkets, and in many other places. Healthcare, AI diagnoses diseases faster, but sometimes incorrect, and misses human empathy. Legal, AI predicts who might commit crimes, but what if the policing tools are biased? Politics, even democracy is not untouched. Elections are influenced by algorithmic ads, opinions are shaped by filtered content, algorithmic ads manipulating voter psychology, and they target voters with emotional manipulation. Police and surveillance, facial recognition may be used, but with scary consequences in surveillance states. Privacy leaks and identity theft, AI generated cybercrimes and scams. Finance, algorithmic trading causing stock or crypto crashes in just seconds. Music and creativity, AI writing songs, removing artists. Dependence leading to intellectual laziness. Are we creating systems that are faster but less fair? The key questions are: is job redundancy the price that we pay for efficiency? Can machines ever replace human judgment in justice and health? Alright, we have seen the darker shades, but let us not forget algorithms are not the villains in this story. In fact, they might be the most powerful sidekick humanity has ever had if we stay in control. Now, let us not be doomsday prophets. AI can also be amazing. It helps doctors to detect cancer earlier than ever, analyzes x rays faster. It can even predict future diseases through genetic data, also reducing human error in surgeries and predictions. In remote villages, AI powered telemedicine is a game changer. It can predict earthquakes and climate patterns. Satellite imagery or analyzing deforestation or polar ice. AI tracks environmental damage, predicts natural disasters, and helps scientists work on sustainable energy solutions. It's literally helping us save the planet. It allows remote learning for kids. in the poorest corners of the world. A classroom with the children using tablets and teachers using dashboards. Personalized learning apps adjust to each student's pace. Struggling in maths? The AI gives extra practice. Excelling in science? It will raise the challenge level. That is smart learning. It helps farmers to use drones in farming and grow more with less. Algorithms help farmers predict rainfall, manage soil, detect pests early, saving food, and reduce costs. Person using voice assistant to plan a day using smart devices, budgeting apps, from your GPS guiding you through traffic to smart assistants reminding you of appointments. AI can make daily life much easier, more organized, or even healthier. It saves time, improves efficiency, and in many ways empowers us. So, yes, AI and algorithms can serve humanity if we stay in charge. We will again go back to the disturbing questions that we talked about earlier. Are we saving lives and time, or losing our purpose and presence? We wake up with notifications, sleep with screens. Are we free or programmed? Are we becoming emotionally attached to technology? Are we trading human effort for machine automation without even questioning it? Now, how can we consciously leverage algorithms on daily basis? Here is how. Don't unplug completely, just plug in wisely. Instead of blindly following the algorithm lead, let's use it to enhance our lives, not replace it. Set limits on screen time, protect your human time. Use health apps not just to track steps but to motivate real lifestyle changes. Set language learning apps help you grow your brain, not just passively watch AI subtitles. Allow budgeting apps to teach kids about saving and spending wisely. Use recommendation engines to discover new books, music, cultures instead of just doom scrolling. Apply AI tools for creative inspiration, but don't forget to add your human touch. Let AI help with daily tasks, but don't forget how to do them yourself. So, use the algorithm, don't let it use you. Like fire, algorithms can cook your food or burn your house. What we talked about so far is just the tip of an iceberg. In coming years, if not in months, there is going to be a massive transformation in exponential ratio in almost every discipline and industry that we can think of in this planet. And unimaginable new opportunities will also emerge right in front of our eyes sooner than we think possible. It is not about rejecting technology, it's about mastering it. Let us not be uh, anti technology, let us be pro aware. The solution is not to reject algorithms, the solution is to stay aware, awake, and control. Because thinking, feeling, connecting, failing, learning, that's what makes us human. Let's teach the next generation to question, reflect, and feel, not just click, scroll, and react. Because at the end of the day, we should be the ones writing the code of our own lives, not just following the ones written for us. If you like this video, please share and comment your thoughts below. I wish you a great and enjoyable life with algorithm. Thank you.